Namaste, this is Liam in for Ameya. Build it with Claude, then take it apart. Today, 13,000 Congressional stock trades and the one signal inside them that isn't noise. Since 2012, the Stock Act has forced every member of Congress to disclose their stock trades within 45 days. A law meant to deter insider trading quietly produced a public dataset of what powerful people do with their own money. I scraped it, 13,877 trades from 108 members across 3 years of filings. The popular story says Congress beats the market. Whole apps exist to copy them trade for trade. So here is the narrow, testable question. Follow every congressional buy mechanically, and do you beat the index? Ask for the strict version of the test. Into Claude, write market_adjusted.py. For every trade, measure the stock's return over the 30 days after the disclosure date, the first day a retail investor could actually act, and subtract SPY's return over the identical window. That subtraction is the whole methodology. A stock that merely rose with the index shows zero alpha. Read the code before trusting the result. One function fetches SPY at disclosure, and SPY 30 days later, the same window the trade gets. Then one line does the judging. Abnormal return equals the stock's post-disclosure move minus SPY's. No annualizing, no portfolio smoothing. Every single trade is benchmarked against the market it actually traded in. Run it on 5,162 priced buys. Raw return plus 2.23% at first glance. Congress can pick stocks. Then the subtraction lands. SPY made plus 2.10 over the same windows. Alpha plus 0.13%. Sells essentially zero. In aggregate, Congress doesn't beat the market. Congress is the market with a rounding error on top. But an average this flat can still hide structure. The revision: stop scoring trades alone and look for convergence. Update the backtest. Flag every buy where 2 or more members bought the same ticker inside a 30-day window. Score it with entry time information only, cluster size times the group's maximum buy conviction ratio, and tier every trade before its return is known. No look ahead, the tier is fixed on the day you could have acted. The cluster test is a filter on disclosure dates. Same ticker, 30 days either side, count the distinct politicians. The score multiplies that count by the most buy-heavy members' conviction ratio, and the honest part is what the tier function never touches, the realized return. Strong, watch, skip, solo, every tier is assigned from what a reader of the filings would have known at entry. Rerun and the table splits. Clustered buys, strong and watch, about 2,000 events earn positive alpha, plus 0.23 and plus 0.54%, winning just over half the time. Solo buys, 3,000 of them go negative and win about 45%. That 5-point win rate gap across 5,000 events is the most robust result in the study. $10,000 spread across the strong tier finishes at $10,247, $23 ahead of the same money in SPY, real and tiny. So what did the build actually show? The edge lives in cluster membership, independent members converging on one ticker, not in the conviction weighting. Watch beat strong, so the score adds no ranking power inside a cluster. And one warning from the process: on 64 members the effect looked inverted. It only stabilized at 108. This signal is a noise filter, not a profit engine. Its real value is the 95% of trades it tells you to ignore. Research, not investment advice. Your turn, take this prompt, pull the last 90 days of Congressional by disclosures, find every ticker with 2 or more distinct buyers inside a 30-day window, and compare each cluster's 30-day return to SPY. It's worth running because it tests the one claim that mattered here, that convergence, not congressional genius, is where the signal lives, on filings that didn't exist when this video was made. Congress doesn't beat the market, the cluster does barely. This is Liam in for Ameya. Build it with Claude, then take it apart.